Okay, so sum number 9. Have you got your highlighters?
Yes.
Okay, I will read first and then we will do the working. So get your highlighters. Mrs. Gopal spent $165. Her daughter spent $28 less than. So highlight less than. In your exercise book, highlight, not in your course book. You don't highlight in your course book. You highlight in your exercise book. If you haven't written, write it down first. Copy the question first. Alright? Okay. A. How much did the daughter spend? B. How much did they spend in all? Highlight in all. Now be right. So first write down. Leave a line after the question. Write down Mrs. Gopal. Alright? Now Mrs. Gopal is green. Draw 6 boxes. Okay? With green. Miss Shweta don't have green, so I use blue. Okay? 6 boxes. 6 boxes. Then leave a line. Write down daughter. With blue, 4 boxes. Now make sure you start at the same point, okay? Samiha, must start at the same point. Rafa, must start at the same, huh? Don't start front and back. Same. Okay? Children, the colors of the bar is not important. If you want to choose any other color and do also, I'm okay. Alright? The colors are not important. Alright? You can do any 2 colors that you want. 4, 6 and 4. We always use 6 and 4, okay? Don't use anything else. The longer bar is 6, the shorter bar is 4. Alright? So got it? Alright, so Mrs. Gopal spent 165. Must put the dollar sign, okay? The daughter spent how much? We don't know. So question mark. The difference between the daughter and the mother is 28. Okay? And together it is how much? Also we don't know. Now again I repeat, make sure this arrow, squiggly arrow, stops over here. Okay? It's also in your course book. You can look at the course book at the bar and also draw. Okay, you can look at the course book. It is there. You don't have to look at the board. Okay, so first we will do A. Leave a line. A. What is the question A? How much did her daughter spend? So how do we find out this? We have the mother, Mrs. Gopal. We have the difference. We need to find out this. How do we find out? What do we do? Add or minus?
Minus.
Minus. So make sure you write the dollar sign, okay? See, I'm writing the dollar sign, so make sure you write it down. Okay, make sure you put the dollar sign. Then, working column. Draw your working column. Now, in the working column, you don't need to write the dollar sign. It's okay, you don't need to write it, you just write the numbers. Working is normally a rough working, so you don't have to put the dollar sign. 4 boxes. Make sure it's 4 boxes from the end. don't leave unnecessary lines, okay? If you leave too many lines, you won't have space at the bottom to do B. So please count and leave the lines correctly. Yes, the answer is 137. That's right. Correct. So, write down here 137. There, leave a line and write down the statement. Mrs. Gopal's daughter spent. No, it's okay. This might you need to squeeze. Okay? The answer you need to squeeze. You may not have space for the 137. So you can squeeze. Yeah, just squeeze it a bit. It's okay. Mrs. Gopal's daughter spent. If you don't have space for the answer over here, you can squeeze. Okay, on the top here. When you're writing the answer, you can squeeze it. Because you may not have space. You're writing one number in one box, right? You may not have space. Where's the dollar sign? It's okay. Don't rub. Alright, so the next question B is, how much did they spend in all? That means you have to do what? What do you have to do? Plus. Okay, plus what? Mrs. Gopal spent how much? 165. Doctor spent how much? 137. So we add. Now again, you may not have so much space. You can squeeze a bit. Okay? If you don't have space, you can squeeze it a little bit. Okay, do the working. You can squeeze it. You may not have space because the numbers are very big, so you can squeeze it, okay? You can squeeze it, darling. Where will you write the answer? Okay, alright. You won't have space to write.
302.
Correct. 302. Leave a line, then statement. Draw the star for the statement and they spent $302 in all. Alright? Okay? You must put the dollar sign. When you are using money or when you are having dollar, you must make sure you put the sign, okay? Even if you need to squeeze it a little bit, it's fine. Alright, once you're done, what do? Draw a line.